Hey guys, welcome back to Corascozycastle, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I got started on my minimalist and decluttering journey. I hope that it encourages you. I will check in with my capsule wardrobe. And if you like videos like these, make sure to hit the red subscribe button, notification bell, and leave me a comment down below and join me here on my journey to minimalism and simple living. So to get things started off, I'm going to tell you guys that I kind of started on more of a declutter journey 3 years ago when my youngest son was born. It has helped me in so many ways, and I have found a passion for minimalism. I started this channel as a cleaning channel originally because those are the types of videos I started watching on YouTube when I started my decluttering journey. But I am very fascinated with minimalism now, and it is more of my passion. So I've kind of shifted this channel into that I guess you could say niche. It has been a lot more fun. This channel is a hobby for me. I started it to help people out there feel less lonely for the day. As a stay-at-home mom, sometimes, you can feel that way. I also suffer with health anxiety, so I also wanted to reach out to anybody out there who felt, those types of feelings. I really enjoy decluttering. I love getting spaces organized. I feel like I have kind of stretched and built my decluttering muscles over the years. I don't feel that I was in the beginning ready to get rid of a lot of stuff that I do now, but I realized that getting rid of stuff is almost that same high feeling that I used to get when I would shop. So I almost get a better feeling when I'm in a store and I'm holding okay, if I'm shopping for clothes for the kids or just any items or just kind of browsing Target or anything like that. And I felt like I feel so much more just free, I guess, when I put the item back. When I say, you know what, I really just don't need that item. And it just makes me feel awesome. I don't know how to really explain it more than just that until you really kind of get into it. And guys, you just really have to reach that point where you're ready to do it. And the other thing that I want to touch on, because I got this journey started 3 years ago, I'm really kind of, minimalizing. My capsule wardrobe has been awesome. Oh my goodness. When I was putting up my clothes this week, I was talking on the phone with my mom and I was like, Mom, this is so much fun putting up clothes in a closet where you have so much room to just hang stuff up and you're not pushing the clothes. You guys know what I'm talking about. Shoving them this way, shoving them that way to try to squeeze another little spot. It is so much fun to put clothes up in a closet where it's not just completely packed. I really enjoyed that. So I hope that you guys, if you're doing a capsule wardrobe, let me know if you felt the same way or just any space in your home. I just feel like it's just fun. It's so awesome. I definitely just feel more energetic to clean my home when I don't have to pick up and tidy so many items as well. Also, making the bed in the morning, I've eliminated my pillows on my bed, and I am so much more willing to make my bed in the morning, which actually just gets the day started even more after that. So I hope that you guys are encouraged by, the videos that I'm putting out. I definitely plan on, I'm trying to do more of one, where I kind of talk to you guys and just, get to know me better. And then another video where I'm actually decluttering. So that is the goal for me. When you guys start decluttering your home, definitely just do it in the way that you want to. If one space makes you feel better, don't let anybody else tell you that you need the whole thing done, or don't let certain videos make you feel like you have to have everything done. Success is not, don't let somebody else define your success as to what your progress is, how long it takes you to do it. Honestly, I just feel like it's whatever you define it as. So if you are happy with getting one drawer organized and that makes your life better, don't let somebody else tell you need 5 drawers organized. If you are happy with 10 shirts, don't let somebody tell you need 5. It's all a matter of personal preference and success. If a professional organizer were to come into your home, they may have a Pinterest-worthy idea in their head of this is how something is supposed to look. But to you, as the client, I guess, if you were to have somebody, it's really more about what you are happy with and what you will be successful and what will make you feel good. So I feel like that's very important to keep in mind along a declutter and minimalist journey. It is definitely a process. It takes a lot of time, and you need to define what is going to be successful for you. I hope that this video has helped you guys. If you have questions about my minimalist journey and how I got started, or any tips that you would like me to put up on a video or anything like that, please let me know in the comments down below. I hope that you guys have a fabulous day, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. And as always, because the camera's shaking, say bye.
Bye.
Everybody. Say see you in the next one.
See you next one.